you see Reagan? Do you see them? Let's go this way. Come here. Come here where you can see. Can you see the kids? Here they go. Do you see them? Are they riding on their horses? Can you see the kids? Look. Here they come. Hi, Reagan. Hi, Lige. Hi, Elijah. Here comes Reagan. Hi, Reagan. Little cowgirl, how are you? You having fun? Yeah. I like your horse. Very cool. Go with them, don't you? Think you can go with them? Oh, here comes the fast music. Uh-oh, here comes the fast part. Here they go. Here they go. They're going. They're going, Ryan. There goes Lige. Here it goes. Come here. Out of the ice. Here we go. There they go. There they go. Elijah was in the group there. Here comes Reagan. Go Reagan. Where are they going? The kids going, going, going. There goes Lige. Gallop, gallop, gallop.
This way, Logan.
There's Elijah walking across the stage. Here comes Reagan.
Alright, thanks for coming to our fall parade. We have lots of cowboys here and cowgirls. They'd like to tell you who they are and what they named their horse. So here's our first cowgirl. What's your name? And what'd you name your horse? Say again. Mimi. There goes Mimi. What's your name? What'd you name your horse? Oh, baby. Hey, cowboy, what's your name? Elijah, what'd you name your horse? Baby Stas, say go, Bolt. Hey, cowgirl, what's your name? What'd you name your horse? Oh, Princess. Hey, what's your name? What'd you name your horse? Oh, Daisy. Hey, cowboy, what's your name? Colin, what'd you name your horse? We've been learning about fire safety. They want to tell you what they know about if your clothes catch on fire.
Do you know what you should do if your clothes catch on fire? You gotta stop right where you are, drop on the floor, and roll over and over. That'll put the fire out before it can hurt you. Remember, stop, drop, and roll over and over.
You're fine.
Or to put it another way, you gotta... Tell your mama and your papa and everyone you know. Tell your sisters and your brothers and everyone.
Everybody's singing right now. It's a lot of wolves.
If your clothes catch fire, do the things I say. If your clothes catch fire, better do the things I say. So listen to me. There's no better way.
Alexa's pretty excited about that. Yay!
Well, thank you for coming to their very first performance. I think you did a wonderful job, boys and girls. Did you have fun doing that? You looked great up there singing. So their horses are ready to go home with you. I've been taking care of your horses for the last week, so you got to take them home and feed them and take care of them. And I want to remind you there's no school Thursday. We're on fall break. So after you get your horses, boys and girls, you can walk